We are an innovation-driven company. We independently provide customers with more optimized bridge crane and gantry crane solutions. Our products are widely used in aviation, energy, ports, and urban construction and other fields. We have more than 4,000 business elites and provide full life cycle services to customers in 122 countries and regions around the world. We are committed to reducing customer costs, which thanks to the entire industry chain we have established. We are Henan Mine Crane. Innovation and technology influence every aspect of the Henan mine value chain. Internally, we have a technical team of more than 200 mid-level and senior engineers and industry experts, and invest hundreds of millions in incremental R&D every year to inject vitality into product innovation. We have established national and provincial technology research and development centers and have obtained more than 500 patents and scientific research results. Externally, we have introduced world-leading products from Germany's Siemens and France's Schneider, and have reached strategic cooperation with many scientific research institutes. Through joint construction, we have established a national-level quality supervision and inspection center with qualifications to promote China's lifting of provide strong support for innovative development. The products provided by Henan Mine include bridge cranes, gantry cranes and electric hoists, and have derived more than 200 subdivided products. Our independently developed and produced products such as intelligent storage cranes, precision positioning cranes, nuclear-grade special cranes, and simulated maritime rescue cranes have world-class technology and high quality, and have higher cost performance among similar products. This is due to we have accumulated R&D advantages and a complete industrial chain for more than 20 years. It includes the collection and recycling of raw materials, parts manufacturing, design and production of complete machine products, assembly, debugging and comprehensive maintenance and iteration. We were the first in the industry to introduce intelligent manufacturing systems and established more than 100 automated welding and processing production lines, which are distributed in an intelligent industrial park of 740,000 square meters. Every year, more than 100,000 sets of products are sold from here to all over the world. They are used in more than 50 key industries such as aerospace, automobiles and ships, steel smelting, and petrochemicals. We have established long-term cooperation and trust relationships with many large enterprises such as CNNC, CRRC, China Railway, China Aviation, CSSC, CCCC, China Tsui, MCC, Baowu, etc., and continue to break through foreign monopolies and technical difficulties in key areas. As a professional supplier of lifting and material handling products, we provide customers with full life cycle services covering measurement, design, installation, and maintenance. We have 428 sales and service agencies across the country to support 24-hour real-time after-sales response. Now we serve tens of thousands of customers in 122 countries around the world. Our products represent advanced, safe, and higher cost performance. Our advantages come from continuously optimized processes, management and industrial chain value, as well as from our independent and stable business model. We have a concise equity structure, sufficient cash flow and raw material storage, and have no loans or financing. We have extremely low financial and risk control costs, which allows us to form a stable and long-lasting trusting relationship in upstream and downstream cooperation, and also enables us to shoulder greater employee benefits and social responsibilities. We respect the growth and rewards of our employees, encourage them to return to their families, and improve their happiness index. We have strong cohesion and creativity, which forms our unique culture. We actively fulfill our social responsibilities and always pay attention to the overall progress of the industry. We established China's first lifting machinery museum and participated in the formulation and implementation of industry standards. We have implemented industry innovation in green, smart, lightweight, and other fields. In the mountains, ship ports, in the sky, and on the ocean, we contribute lifting power to major products, and we continue to march forward towards the dream of intelligent manufacturing for great powers. Henan Mine Crane.